Dear student, today we discuss PMD Assistant Ministerial Complete Paper held on 18/1/2025 को हुआ था। MCQs को देखेंगे। Which is the capital of Zimbabwe? Harare. Riksdag is the parliament of which country? Sweden. George Bernard Shaw, the great dramatist, was an Irishman. Which of the following is not an official language of United Nations? Portuguese. What is the capital of Kiribati? Tarawa Atoll. Which city is known as Queen of Arabian Sea? Kochi, India. Which is the oldest stock exchange in the world? Amsterdam. What is the capital of Sierra Leone? Freetown. What was the name of the union between Egypt and Syria in the 1950 United Arab Republic? In which country was the Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) founded? Morocco. When did WHO report that smallpox has been eradicated worldwide? 1980. When is Holocaust Memorial Day observed every year? 27 January. Which year did Pakistan play its first test match? 1952. How many squares does a chessboard have? 64. Industrial Revolution started from which country? England. Which is the capital of Iceland? Reykjavik. Tenge is the currency of which country? Kazakhstan. How many members jurisdiction is there in the Financial Action Task Force FATF? 30. 37. Which is the largest milk producing country in the world? India. Which activity involves the use of weather stations to gather real-time data like temperature, pressure, etc.? Weather observation. Which of the following provides coded data used in forecasting reports such as METER and TUF observation reports? Humidity is the air was measured by hygrometer. The wind is caused by differences of pressure. What does a synoptic chart display in meteorology? Cloud coverage and pressure pattern. In weather forecasting, which of the following is the reports would include wide speed temperature and pressure readings? Meter. In weather forecasting, which of the following is the report that provides a coded message containing weather conditions at an airport? Meter. Which of the following is essential track the movements of weather system across the globe? Satellites. Which of the following is used to describe long-term weather patterns and trends? Climate models. Which instrument is used to measure the cloud cover at different altitude? Ceilometer. Which one is called a greenhouse gas? Water vapors. Sound waves are dash radiation. Longitudinal. What is the primary cause of weather phenomena on Earth? Solar radiation. What is the process by which water vapor turns into liquid water forming clouds? Condensation. Which of the following is the most common type of cloud associated with fair weather? Cumulus. What is the term for the boundary between two different air masses? Front. Which of the following is an example of a convective weather system? A thunderstorm. Which weather phenomena is caused by a low pressure system in the northern hemisphere? Silicon. What was the first chief minister of West Punjab? Iftikhar Hussain Khan Mumtaz. Rohtas Fort was built on the order of Shah Suri by Raja Todar Mal. All the private banks was nationalized by the government of Pakistan. 1974. Who was the first Pakistani Prime Minister leader who visited China? Hussain Saeed Sarwadi. Margala Hills, a hill range, is a part of which mountain range? Himalayas. Rachna Doab is between Ravi and Chenab. Pakistan recognized China in 1950. China Sikandar Pact was signed in October 1937 at Lucknow. Pakistan men's hockey team has won the Asian Games gold medal times. Art. Famous Punjabi writer Waris Shah wrote his famous book Hir Ranjha living in the town of Malka Hans. Allama Iqbal's famous address at Allahabad was delivered to the Dash session of All India Muslim League. 21. Allama Iqbal qualified as PhD scholar from which university? Monash University. Who was Ceylon John Radcliffe? Lawyer. Professional qualification of Quaid-e-Azam was bar at law. How many members are there in Punjab Assembly, Pakistan? 371. Naval War College situated in Lahore. The only government in India headed by the All India Muslim League in 1946 was that of Bengal. Who translated the Pakistan resolution in Urdu? Maulana Zafar Khan. Bolan Pass is located in which mountain range? Koi Suleiman. Provincial elections were held in East Pakistan in which year? 1954. The synonym of Foster is rise. Synonym of abreast is informed. Synonyms of decadence is deprivative. Antonym of evasive is elusive. Antonym of hackneyed is fresh. Ease of doing business report published by World Bank. What is the name of world's largest artificial forest? Sahanba National Forest Park, China. The Wailing Wall is situated in Jerusalem. What was the name of atomic bomb dropped on the city of Hiroshima? Little Boy. When World War I was ended? 1918. Who was the first Secretary General of United Nations Organization? Travali. Reuters is the news agency of United Kingdom. What is the currency of Qatar? Qatari Riyal. Which is the world's oldest monarchy? Japan. Which prophet earned his living by making violets? Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. The reward of which prayer is equal to the reward of Hajj or Umrah? Namaz-e-Ishraq. The nation of Samud was preached by Hazrat Saleh alayhi salam. Thanks for watching. Ready for exam.